Are you working too hard to get customers? Or do you want to start a side business and earn more income? Well, if your answer is yes to any of these questions, I'd like to invite you to join me for a live online workshop on Facebook advertising. And why Facebook? Well, near 2.2 billion people use Facebook actively every month. Second reason, Facebook ads are so underpriced, so cheap, yet comparing to other online platforms. Number 3, Facebook targeting is very powerful. Well, not only you can target people based on their demographics like their age and location and gender and education and job and income level, but you can also target people based on their interests. For example, Mediterranean food lovers or football lovers or interior design lovers, anything. And even more than that, you can target people based on their behavior. For example, if you want to do e-commerce, you can target people who've done online shopping before. This is crazy, right? And on top of that, Facebook ads are not complicated at all. You don't need to be a techie person to do Facebook advertising. Now, who am I and why you should learn it from me? I'm Elham Alizadeh, award-winning marketing strategist, and I've been doing marketing and business development for more than 10 years now. But more importantly, I live and breathe Facebook advertising. And I create successful Facebook ads for myself and for my other clients. But it was not always like that. Well, I have learned it the hard way. It took me a lot of time, money, and energy to figure this out. I tried all these complex and techy marketing channels, all expensive and ineffective. But Facebook ads changed my life. Since I discovered the power of Facebook advertising, my business has gone to the next level. I no longer have the stress of getting clients because now I have a lead generation system that works 24/7, even when I'm sleeping. It feels so great to wake up in the morning and you don't need to be worried about how to get your other clients, more clients. Now, I want to show you how you can do the same in your business or in the business that you want to start in my upcoming live online Facebook workshop. It is the first time that I'm opening this to public, and I'm going to share with you all those tiny little tips and tricks that can save you a lot of time and money. So you have the opportunity to learn and do the right and safe way in my live upcoming Facebook workshop. And the best part? You don't have to pay upfront. Just join me in this workshop, and if you like it, just if you like it, pay $97 the next day, but not before that. How does it sound? Cool? Well, I'm putting all the risk on me. You don't have to take any risk. I do this because I'm so confident about this workshop. Now, I just ask you to pay $1 to secure your spot because my workshop platform allows a limited number of people inside and the spots are filling out so fast. So, to make sure we have a spot available for you, I've put a link around this video. Just click on it and register. Again, you just need to pay $1 to secure your spot. And then you can just join me inside this workshop, this 4 hours workshop. And if you didn't like this workshop for any reason, you don't have to pay a cent. And if you like it, just if you like it and get a lot of value from it, you pay $97 the next day. Fair? So if you want to build the success and income you love, if you want to move to the next level financially and personally, this workshop is going to be a life changer for you. So just click now and do your registrations because as I said, the spots are filling up fast. And see you on the other side.